Hi viewers, welcome to Rasam Powder. Today I am going to make a rasam powder. For that I have taken 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon tuvar dal, 1 tablespoon black pepper, few curry leaves, 1 sprig, quarter teaspoon cumin seeds and 4 red chilli. If you want a spicy rasam, according to the requirement you can increase the quantity of red chilli. I have taken here Kashmiri chilli. Now we are going to dry roast all these items and make a coarse powder. The kadai is hot. We are going to dry roast all the items separately. When the aroma comes from the coriander seeds, you can remove the coriander seeds and transfer to a plate. Now we will dry roast the tuvar dal. The tuvar dal also roasted. Nice aroma comes and the color has changed. Dry roast the pepper till it becomes hot. When you touch, you should feel the heat. This is done. Now the curry leaves. I didn't have the fresh one. This is a dried one. You can take the fresh one and dry roast it. Till crisp you have to roast them, otherwise the rasam powder will get spoiled. Cumin seeds, just few seconds only. Red chilli, for 1 minute I have roasted this, and now I am switching off the gas. In the heat itself this will get roasted. Now when it cools down, make a coarse powder in the mixer. While tempering the rasam, I am adding the hing powder, hence I am not adding in this powder. The rasam powder is ready here. Make small quantity and keep it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.